False alarms in Tesla Model 3 vehicles commonly occur due to three main causes: door latch problems, sensor calibration issues, and software glitches. Door latch issues are particularly common in Model 3s from 2018 to 2022. These electronic latches use sensors to detect open or closed states, but mechanical wear, corrosion, or misalignment can cause them to malfunction and trigger alarms inappropriately. Sensor calibration problems often result from environmental factors like moisture, dirt, or electromagnetic interference. The vehicle's proximity sensors, which monitor doors and handles, can become miscalibrated and produce false alarms. Software glitches in Tesla's autopilot system can also lead to false alarms. Bugs in the motion detection algorithms may incorrectly interpret normal movements as security threats, especially when parking or driving at low speeds. Tesla has addressed many of these issues through over-the-air software updates that improve sensor algorithms and reduce false positives. However, persistent hardware failures, particularly in door latches, often require a physical inspection at a service center. The Model 3's electronic door latch system uses Hall effect sensors to detect the open-closed state of the doors. Mechanical wear, corrosion, or misalignment can cause these sensors to malfunction, triggering the alarm even when the doors are securely closed. A recall was issued in early 2025 for Model 3s built between 2019 and 2022 due to faulty door latch mechanisms, which could cause intermittent alarms or lock failures. Tesla's service network now uses AI-driven diagnostics to identify latch wear via telematics data, speeding up repairs. Proximity sensors, whether ultrasonic or capacitive, are located in the doors and handles of your Tesla Model 3. These sensors detect nearby objects or changes in the electrical field. However, they can misfire due to environmental factors like moisture, dirt, or electromagnetic interference. Tesla addressed these issues with their V12.5.1 software update in late 2025. This update introduced enhanced sensor calibration algorithms that, according to Tesla, reduce false positives by up to 40% through better processing of sensor data. To maintain sensor accuracy, it's important to clean the sensors regularly and ensure they are free from debris. This simple maintenance step can help prevent false alarms by keeping the sensors clear and functioning properly. Finally, keeping your Tesla's software up to date is crucial for maintaining accurate sensor readings. Regular updates ensure the calibration algorithms remain effective and adapt to new conditions. The Model 3's alarms are managed by Tesla's Autopilot software stack, a complex AI system that controls vehicle safety and detection. Bugs in the motion detection algorithms can cause false triggers, especially during parking or low-speed maneuvers like sudden stops or turns. Tesla addresses these issues through over-the-air OTA software updates, which wirelessly deliver fixes and improvements to your vehicle. To check for updates, go to Controls Software on your car's touchscreen. First, tap Controls, then select Software to check for available updates. Keeping your software up to date is one of the most important things you can do to prevent false alarms and improve vehicle performance. First, try resetting the alarm via the touchscreen. Go to Vehicle, then Service, and select Reset Alarm. Next, perform a physical inspection of the doors and latches. Check for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or misalignment. Ensure the doors are closing completely and securely. Clean the proximity sensors around the door handles and doors. If these steps don't resolve the issue, further diagnostics may be needed. Some Tesla Model 3 owners have found success with DIY fixes for false alarms. For example, a Reddit user in 2024 reported resolving persistent midnight alarms by cleaning a corroded door sensor. The issue was a corroded door sensor that misfired, causing false alarms even when doors were locked. The fix involved cleaning the sensor and applying dielectric grease to protect against corrosion. Dielectric grease prevents moisture and corrosion on electrical connectors, helping sensors function properly. Always disconnect the 12-volt battery before working on any electronics to avoid electrical hazards. This is not recommended unless you know what you're doing. These user-hacked solutions might work and save money, but are not a surefire fix. If alarms persist, consult Tesla service for professional diagnosis and repair. If the false alarms persist after trying the troubleshooting steps and DIY fixes, it's time to contact Tesla service. Hardware failures, particularly in the door latch assembly, often require professional intervention. Tesla's service network can use AI-driven diagnostics to identify latch wear and other issues that may not be apparent during a visual inspection. Ignoring persistent false alarms can risk draining the 12-volt battery, so timely service is essential. Tesla is moving towards software-centric fixes for alarm issues, reducing reliance on physical recalls. Predictive maintenance using AI analytics from vehicle data is emerging to identify latch wear before failures. By 2028, Tesla aims to integrate advanced machine learning for adaptive sensor tuning, potentially eliminating 90% of false alarms. Regular preventive maintenance, such as cleaning sensors and checking door alignment, can help minimize false alarms and extend the lifespan of your Model 3's components.